Hello, fellow explorers. Today, we're going on an adventure to the hottest place on our planet. Get ready to sweat because we're about to experience some serious heat. Imagine a place where temperatures can melt plastic. This isn't science fiction, it's a real place on Earth. So, where is this blazing inferno? It's in a desert, but not just any desert. It's the Lut Desert, located in the southeastern part of Iran. The Lut Desert, also known as Dasht-e Lut, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This vast expanse of arid land is located in southeastern Iran and is one of the hottest places on Earth. It's famous for its stunning, otherworldly landscapes. The desert's unique beauty is characterized by its dramatic rock formations and expansive sand dunes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Think towering sand dunes and wind-carved rock formations. These natural sculptures have been shaped over millennia by the relentless forces of wind and sand. But this beauty comes with a scorching, price-tag extreme heat. The Lut Desert is not just hot, it's record-breakingly hot. How hot does it get? Scientists have recorded temperatures as high as 159.3 degrees Fahrenheit, or 70.7 degrees Celsius, in the Lut Desert. This makes it one of the hottest places on the planet. To put that in perspective, the boiling point of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, or 100 degrees Celsius. The Lut Desert's temperatures come shockingly close to this mark. That means the Lut Desert comes dangerously close to boiling water. The intense heat creates a harsh environment where only the toughest organisms can survive.
What makes the Lut Desert the hottest place on Earth? Let's dive into the details. It's a combination of several factors that work together to create this extreme heat. First, its geographical location plays a significant role in this phenomenon. The Lut Desert is situated in a subtropical region which is known for its high temperatures. This region receives intense and direct sunlight almost all year round, which heats the ground to extreme levels. Second, the Lut Desert is incredibly dry, with very little moisture in the air. There's very little vegetation to absorb the sun's heat, which means more heat is retained by the ground. The dark, rocky surface of the desert absorbs a significant amount of heat from the sun. Think of how hot a black asphalt parking lot gets on a sunny day. Now imagine that effect multiplied many times over. The Lut Desert is like that on steroids, with temperatures soaring to unimaginable heights. Third, the Lut Desert experiences specific weather patterns that contribute to its extreme heat. These weather patterns trap hot air over the desert, preventing it from escaping. This creates a superheated environment where the heat just keeps building up. It's like an oven with the heat turned all the way up, making the Lut Desert one of the hottest places on Earth. Section 4. Life in the Extremes. The Lut Desert, one of the hottest places on Earth, presents a unique challenge to life. You might be wondering, can anything survive in such extreme heat? The temperatures here can soar to over 70 degrees Celsius. The answer is yes, but it's tough. The environment is unforgiving and survival requires extraordinary adaptations. Even in the hottest parts of the Lut Desert, scientists have found microbial life. These microorganisms thrive where most life would perish. These tiny organisms are incredibly resilient. They have evolved mechanisms to withstand extreme temperatures and scarce water. They've adapted to survive in this harsh environment. What about humans? Can we endure such extremes? It's possible for humans to survive in the Lut Desert, but it requires careful planning and precautions. Adequate hydration, sun protection, and knowledge of the terrain are essential. People who live on the desert's fringes, like nomadic tribes, have adapted over generations. Their traditional knowledge is invaluable for survival. They know how to find water, protect themselves from the sun, and navigate the harsh terrain. Their way of life is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity.
Section 5. Global Hotspots, a comparative look. The Lut Desert isn't the only scorching place on Earth. Other hotspots include Death Valley in California and the Sahara Desert in Africa. Death Valley holds the record for the hottest air temperature ever recorded on Earth, 134 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert globally, experiences average summer temperatures of over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. While these temperatures are scorching, the Lut Desert still holds the record for the highest ground temperature ever recorded.
Section 6, A Changing Climate, Amplifying the Extremes. Here's a sobering thought. Climate change is likely to make places like the Lut Desert even hotter. As our planet warms, we can expect more extreme weather events, including heat waves. These heat waves will be more frequent and intense. What does this mean for the future? It means we need to take climate change seriously. We need to reduce our carbon emissions to prevent the planet from getting even hotter. If we don't, we risk making the hottest places on Earth even more extreme.